Dad, look! My puppy is running so fast!
Stay close, Charlotte.
Can I play with him too? Of course, but be gentle.
This is a nice day at the park.
Finally, some peace.
Excuse me, is that your puppy?
Yes. His name is Coco.
He's adorable, Ga. I think he likes me more.
He likes everyone.
Coco, come here!
Oh, he's coming to me instead. Coco, come back!
Maybe he wants a new owner.
That's not funny.
I'm serious. Excuse me? I think this puppy belongs with me.
What? No! He's mine!
Are you sure? He looks happier here.
Please step away from our dog.
You're overreacting.
Why are you holding Coco?
I'm just taking him for a walk.
Without asking?
Kids shouldn't own pets. That's not your decision. I can give him a better life.
That's enough. Give him back.
Or what?
You're too young to understand responsibility. Coco is part of our family. She takes care of him every day.
I doubt that.
Return the puppy now.
I think I'll keep him.
No! Coco, Coco!
He clearly prefers me. This is not acceptable. Call it adoption.
This is not adoption. This is wrong.
You can't prove anything.
I have pictures of him. Anyone can have pictures. That's not fair.
Life isn't fair.
We're calling security.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Charlotte, stay calm.
I just want Coco back. Look how calm he is with me.
He's confused.
Last warning. Give him back.
No.
Please, he's scared.
He's fine. You're upsetting the children. They'll forget.
We won't. Yes, you will definitely signal. Yes, you will.
Security is on the way.
I'm not afraid.
Coco, come here!
He's staying.
What's happening here? She took our puppy.
That's not true.
That's not true.
Ma'am?
Look, photos! We have proof.
Ma'am, please return the dog.
I found him.
That's a lie!
We need cooperation.
Fine, take him.
Coco! Are you okay?
It's all right now.
Thank you, officer.
Stay safe.
You're making a mistake.
No, you did.
Why would you do that?
Because I can.
That's mean!
The world isn't kind.
She's gone now.
I thought I lost you, Coco.
We're here, Charlotte. You're both safe.
I wasn't scared, Mom. Much.
You were very brave, James. We all were.
Ew! Coco, that's gross! Get him, Coco!
We need to be more careful from now on.
As long as we're together, we can handle anything.
Ready to head home, big guy?
I'll never let anyone take you again.
Let's go home.
We're a good team, James. Today was a lesson. A big one.
Trust your instincts.
I will. I will. And speak up.
Always.
I'll never forget this.
Good.
Coco, you're safe.
That's what matters.
Let's move forward.
Together, family is strong. Yes. Stronger than bad people.
Always.
You did great today.
Thank you. Thank you. We won!
Not one, but protected.
That's better. That's much better.
Much better.
Ready to go home?
Yes. With Coco.
Of course.
I'll hold him tight.
Good.
No one takes him again. No one takes him again. Never.
That woman made a bad choice. And
Faced consequences.
I hope she learns.
maybe she will.
Or maybe not.
That's her path.
Ours is better. Always. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Home time. Yes! Coco is happy again.
So are we.
Best ending.
Indeed.
Family wins.
Family always wins. Together. Always together.